Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off power saving mode in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. The easiest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top again, and here is our power saving mode. We can turn it off from here. But if this shortcut is not here for whatever reason, then we need to go to settings, and in battery menu here we have our power saving mode right here. Of course, this option has a few other options here. We can automatically turn on our power saving mode under these conditions. As you can see, these are all on, binary switches, well, on or off, so no changes here. And that's all. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.